In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-voice dialogue on Elevenlabs. To get started, log into your Elevenlabs account and open the text-to-speech workspace. This is where you will build and preview your dialogue. So once you are inside, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct area before moving on. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and open the Model drop-down menu. From there, select the 11v3 model. This step is important because 11v3 is designed specifically to handle more advanced voice generation tasks, especially when you are working with multiple speakers. It's optimized for emotional delivery, smoother speaker transitions, and even overlapping voices, which makes it a strong choice for conversations, scenes, and character-based scripts. Once the model is selected, go to the main text box and begin drafting your dialogue. Type your script clearly and make sure each character's lines are separated with a line break. This helps the AI recognize when one speaker stops and another begins. Keeping your dialogue organized here will make the final result sound much more natural. So it's worth taking a little extra time to format it neatly. After your script is in place, start assigning voices to each part of the conversation. Click the Add Speaker button to create a new voice lane for each reply. Think of each lane as a separate character in the scene. This setup gives you more control and makes it easier to build a conversation that sounds distinct and believable. Then, click the voice icon above the text box. Under Explore, choose a specific voice for each character from your library. Try to pick voices that contrast clearly enough so listeners can easily tell who is speaking. If you want your dialogue to feel more polished, choose voices that match the tone and personality of each line. Before generating the audio, review your script and add punctuation like commas and periods wherever needed. Small punctuation changes can make a big difference in pacing, pauses, and overall delivery. If a line sounds too rushed, a comma may help. If a thought needs a clean stop, use a period. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the realism of the final output. Once everything is assigned and formatted, click Generate Speech to process the entire audio clip. After generation, listen back carefully so you can catch any pacing or voice assignment issues and make quick adjustments if needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.